All right, I don't see why you couldn't just polish these things. Oh my God, I forgot to put the sensor. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Hello, you might be wondering where I have been this past year, or maybe a couple of years. I've been everywhere. So, you know, hardships in work, personal things, financial, you know, the usual things that life brings towards you. But now that I'm back, I will try to make it up to you guys, and I'm gonna aim to put at least one video a month. All the retrofits and little things here and there for the car, and maybe I might even add another car to work on. So I don't know, stay tuned and enjoy this week's video, the first one to, I hope, many to come. I hope you guys like it. So if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel, put some likes, comments, you know, help this thing grow, because definitely it's needed. Without your support, this is impossible to do. And yeah, you know, get a couple of sponsorships would be nice to keep going and putting more videos every day. Or yeah, that would be the goal, put at least a video every day, but it's far from that. So thank you again for being here, and enjoy. As you recall, many moons ago, I installed the cameras in the front bumper, and as you can see by the beautiful image in these cameras right now, it looks like it was recorded with one of those flip phones in the 90s, so it's pretty bad. I think I took care of the cameras, I mean, the best I could. I don't remember scratching them or doing anything like that, but well, it's terrible, so I have to fix this. Step 1, get your tool and start unscrewing the 4 or 5 8mm bolts that are attached to the liner under the wheel well. Once that's out of the way, move the liner out and remove the sensor for the parking assistant. It has 2 clips, just pry them open and you will be able to remove it. Then we are going to remove the Dorks 10 screws that hold the cameras to the trim in the bumper. They're not too tight, but yeah, it's very uncomfortable. If you want more room to maneuver here, better to remove the wheel. As you can see, I was very lazy and I just turned the wheel to the side, and yeah, well, it was a little painful to do. But at the end, when you have the choice to either do it the hard way or the easy way. So here are the cameras, and I don't know if this is gonna catch on video, but I'm gonna try to focus this thing. Okay, well, you cannot really see it, but believe me when I said that it's like maybe there you can see how pitted the glass is. It has a lot of scratches and probably contamination from environment or whatever, but it's scratched a lot, and the ring looks like it's been repainted. I don't know, but yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm going just to buff the crap out of these things and see if something actually improves. I'm gonna polish this thing with this poly watch, which is supposed to be a cream to remove scratches from watches, I guess. And I'm just gonna use this Dremel and just gonna polish the crap out of these things. At this point, you might be also wondering, why don't you just buy new cameras and just get on with it? And if you have been following my channel, probably you realize that I do ridiculous things that have almost no point, but I like to restore things and not just throw out money to make it new or functional. Look at all that. That's delicious. Okay, so there was a lot of gunk in these things. Oh, nope, come to think of it, it's actually the paint. Uh-oh. Yep, I'm removing the paint. Okay, so after a couple of hours of polishing this, I think I got very close to what I want to have as a final product, because I could, if I keep trying to go as the perfection level that I like to have things, well, people are going to start wondering what's wrong with me, and they're going to start looking for me. So I'm just going to stop there. I think it doesn't get any better than that. And then, yeah, I don't know if you can catch this on the reflection. They look much, much better. All the scratches are gone. And all right, now the only problem that I had is that, well, I kind of like stripped the paint or the coating that this thing had. So now they are this metal exposed cameras, which I don't like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just spray paint it with this color, which is called what's it called? No, it's not high pigmentation. It's called anthracite gray. And let's see what they look like, because yeah, definitely that's gonna, I don't know about that shine put on the bumpers, and yeah, doesn't look good. Yeah, to protect the lenses, I'm gonna use this I don't know what's it called, liquid frisket from the local art and craft store, and I'm just gonna put this on top of the lenses to prevent the paint from going through. All right, so I'm just giving it short mists of paint. All right, short bursts, wait to dry, next. No surprise, it looks like dog shit, but I am going to polish this. I'm gonna sand them with a 10,000 grit sandpaper and smooth them out, maybe get a little bit of shine, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so all painted, polished, and look at that, looking nice. So I'm gonna put them in the car and see if this actually improved the image, because I don't know if it will work or not. So don't do anything until you see the results. All right. That. I don't see why you couldn't just polish these things. Oh my god, I forgot to put the sensor. Yeah, I forgot to do that. Always double check. Okay, so as I was saying, I don't see why you couldn't just polish the cameras right there. Like, you could just get your Dremel and polish it right there. But I like to take things apart, so I decided to take it out. But anyway, look at that now. Look how pretty it looks. She looks new. I need to fix this. It's cracking. Oh my god, it's horrible. Yeah, these are the ones that I painted, and definitely I didn't do a good job. I need to redo those. So have I failed or have I not? I guess we haven't failed. Look at that difference. I can actually see things out. Now I can actually see cars instead of blobs or people. Nice. Mission complete. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. It was a short one, and next week, or next video actually, not next week, next video, Adaptive cruise control is coming because I have a box of goodies that I really want to start working on. So till next time, bye.